Last week, seats started to be added back to Skyforce, a ride at Pleasure Beach that was announced to be closing, or just not opening basically, for the 2025 season. So we had a look around the ride area, obviously speculating, is it coming back or is it being built up to show a potential buyer what the ride looks like and let them test it out. And I said I'd do another one of these updates next week because chances are the wings will be back on the ride, and that is exactly the case, and there are people working on it right now. And here it is, here's Skyforce this week, the week after last week where I started showing it all. Last week we had the seats and some of the restraints on all of the seats, so I think all of the seats were on and about half of the restraints. It does actually look like the front 3 seats still don't have their restraints, so these 2 here and that one behind number 1 there, number 3 doesn't have its restraints on yet. However, it looks like all of the planes, all of the seats now have the wings which you use to rotate the ride, which wasn't the case last week. And I think the wings were actually stored in that little box there, like on that stand, because that had like a cover on it last week if you remember. So I'm guessing they were stored underneath there and they have been added back to the ride, and as I said, there's people working on it there now and they look in good condition, like they look shiny. They've definitely had a wipe. So is that because they're bringing it back and they, you know, it's been reimagined, they want the presentation to be not top notch? Or is it because they want it to look as good as possible for this potential buyer that could be coming to look at it? I said last week, I just don't see it coming back. Like, why would they announce it to close or to not open for the 2025 season? I know they said it weren't going to be closing permanently, but it seemed that way. Why would they then leave it to July to start building it up and then reopen it all of a sudden? And then obviously we've got a brand new flat ride coming next year, which hasn't been reimagined, like that is brand new. So it's an interesting one, but I don't really mind either way. I mean, I liked Skyforce, I'd go on it when it will walk on. It's a lot of effort, you do have to like spin it yourself and stuff, but I didn't mind it. But it was also a ride that I wouldn't go home gutted about if I didn't go on it that day, if you know what I mean. But this is looking good, the wings are looking good. Just get a little zoom in on them, like the red arrows like logo, whatever that circle is, like is that stuck on or painted on? I'm not sure, I can't tell, but it's looking good. And there are some stuff on the seats here as well, whatever they are, some sort of part that are currently being fitted underneath the seats. So it's an interesting one. A lot of time and a lot of like work is going on Skyforce at the minute. They're completely rebuilding it from what they took off in the winter and didn't build back for the season, and it looks like they are going to get it to be operational. So fair dues if they do bring it back to be operational at the park. But either way, at least it's not going to be SBNO for much longer, because it's either reopening or it is being shipped away somewhere to another park. So I'll have another quick walk around. Still got all of the red arrows branding as well. I mean, they're not on the seats, so they could get rid of like these and the red arrows branding there if they lost the license and they were just to bring it back as Skyforce rather than the red arrow Skyforce. We'll have to wait and see, but I'll have another walk around like I did last week and see what we can see from around there. But interesting. Is it staying or is it going? There's still nothing in here, but there was someone who commented on my last week's update. So shout out to whoever that was, I can't remember off the top of my head. Regular viewer if I remember rightly. That they put a new Coca-Cola fridge in here. Because obviously they changed from like Pepsi to Coke for like drink suppliers this year, Pleasure Beach. But it doesn't look like it's there anymore. I don't see a Coke fridge in here. So has it been removed? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at an old video or something and see if there was one in there on opening day. But it's still used for Walk the Big One at the minute, this little shop. And that's it really. There's a Walk the Big One merch price list there I can see on the till. And also as well, the TV screens, which didn't get used anyway anymore because they used to show the scores of how many flips each plane did, but then they stopped doing that, so the screens never really got used anymore. But they've been taken out, which I don't think was the case last year. Like, I'm pretty sure even though they weren't being used, they were still in place. But yeah, I thought I'd have a look and see if I could find the fridge, the new Coca-Cola fridge, and there isn't one. So that's interesting. Nothing really to see on this side. Obviously we can see the ride from here. You can see that where the wings I think were last week, they're not under that cover anymore, that big blue cover. This sign's here. Got a good picture of the other side of that sign from over there, which was in the thumbnail. So whilst I was walking to my next ride, whatever we did, I can't remember now, but it's looking in good condition. Can't remember if there were any Red Arrows branding originally on these like seats on the actual ride itself. Maybe it's just in the glass there where it says Red Arrows, and then that has the Royal Air Force branding as well. But it's interesting. I mean, I'm guessing wherever this gets shipped to, if it is getting shipped somewhere to a new park, it's going to keep the same type of seats, so I suppose that doesn't matter as long as there isn't actually any Red Arrows branding specifically on there. Looks like they're fitting something underneath the seats and underneath the wings. I think that's all there is to show. Skyforce might be coming back all of a sudden, or as I said, they're getting it ready for a buyer, but seems like a lot of work's going into it just to take it straight back down again. So I'm on the fence now. Originally I was like, there's no way it's coming back, it's definitely going somewhere else, but I am on the fence. They said none of these rides were closed permanently, they were closed for the 2025 season, so I'm going to bring it back. We'll have to wait and see. A bit mixed in the comments as well. Let me know in the comments once again what you think is going to happen to Skyforce. But for now, thank you very much for watching. I'll keep you all updated. Check out the screen, see more, and I'll see you next time from Skyforce when it's open or not open or getting taken back down.